Alright, so I got my wheels in yesterday. I actually come a little bit early. And what I'm doing now, I've decided to go against J-bolts. One thing, the hole in the blade on the original stump grinder wheel is too small to get a good sized bolt in there, and I wanted some good heavy duty bolts. Right now I'm just attaching this hub. I've already got one mounted on there. Trying to see how it's all going to work. What I'm doing now is I'm putting these bolts on there just to attach this wheel with the hub that I got in there. It didn't quite fit in there as close as I wanted to. I ended up having a 2-inch gap inside, just in order to get my wheels close together like I needed to. And then the other bolts, you see I wanted to use good heavy duty bolts to go to these attached to the blade. The way I've got those attached was I ain't made these other ones up because each one's different. And what I'm doing is I've got these little plates here with these holes. Now this is going to go in those holes. The plate that's on the wheel. I can't hardly do anything with one hand. Anyway, a bolt is going to go through here. And what I'm doing is taking and welding a piece of this all thread on there like that, and that'll be my bolt that comes up through the hole. And then I just put a little small bolt in here, which I'm still working on that. This slotted so I can move it up and down a little bit if I have to. And it's just kind of hard to get it just exactly where I need to get it. It's going to come out on the end like that because the holes on the wheels is 5 inches apart, and these from center to center is 4 inches. So I pretty much got to put it right on the edge like that to get my 4-inch inside to match up. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just mounting this. Just want to show you this part before I put it on there. I've got big nuts on here, big nuts on there, and that's holding that on. And then I got, like I said, about a 2-inch gap that I got to make up. And I've got a bolt on the back here. And this is going to go through the wheel. Once I get it lined up. Go through the wheel. Got 2 more bolts there. It's going to go on to hold that hub on. And then you see my little gap here. It's going to go through the blade. And then when I get these others made up, those will go through the other 2 holes with nuts on them, and that'll hold it in place. And these big old heavy duty bolts plus the gap or the slot that I cut there will help turn the wheel. But I'm afraid with these new wheels that I got, since they are brand new, they've got more tread on them than my old wheels, which makes them just a little bit taller. So maybe what I may have to do, I ain't showing you nothing right there, are you? I don't know if you can tell the difference there. See, it's just a little bit taller than the old wheel. If you look at the bottom, I've got it sitting on the 2x4 so I can put the new wheels on. Anyway, it's a little bit taller, so I'm going to have to just take these brand new tires off these brand new rims and replace them with my front tires. They got a little bit more wear on them. And put the new tires on these rims and put these old rims on the new rim, or the old tires on the new rims. That way that'll be more evenly matched. So after I get all this mounted up and everything, I'm going to have to take it all apart and do it again after I get them tires mounted. They're just a little bit tough to get off, so I may just have somebody take them off and put them on for me. Just got the right equipment to do it, because I sure don't. Me and the pry bar's all I got. Anyway, that's the update. It's going pretty good. A little tougher than I thought. I'm trying to get everything lined up, but it's getting there. I should have one more video. Hopefully I'll have the tires and rims changed and everything be mounted next time you see me. Bye.